Soil investigation is a crucial step in any construction project, as it provides vital information about the soil conditions at the site. Lajpat Nagar, located in Delhi, is a bustling neighborhood known for its commercial and residential properties. Therefore, conducting a soil investigation in Lajpat Nagar is of utmost importance to ensure the safety and stability of any construction project in the area. The primary objective of soil investigation in Lajpat Nagar is to determine the properties of the soil, such as its composition, strength, and stability. This information is essential for the design and construction of foundations, retaining walls, and other structural elements. By conducting thorough soil investigations, engineers can accurately assess the bearing capacity of the soil and design appropriate foundation systems that can withstand the loads imposed by the structure. One of the main factors that influence soil investigation in Lajpat Nagar is the presence of expansive clay soils. Expansive clay soils can undergo significant volume changes due to moisture variations, leading to potential damage to structures. Therefore, it is crucial to identify the presence of expansive soils during soil investigations. This information helps engineers design appropriate foundation systems that can mitigate the risks associated with expansive soils. Another important aspect of soil investigation in Lajpat Nagar is the assessment of groundwater conditions. The water table level and its fluctuations can have a significant impact on the stability of structures. High groundwater levels can lead to buoyancy forces on foundations, while fluctuating water levels can cause soil erosion and instability. Therefore, it is essential to determine the groundwater conditions during soil investigations to design appropriate drainage systems and foundation solutions. In addition to determining soil properties and groundwater conditions, soil investigations in Lajpat Nagar also involve assessing the presence of any hazardous substances or contaminants in the soil. These substances can pose risks to human health and the environment if not properly managed during construction activities. Soil investigations help identify any potential contamination and allow for appropriate remediation measures to be implemented. In Lajpat Nagar, Delhi, where urban development is rapidly taking place, soil investigation becomes even more crucial. Lajpat Nagar is a densely populated area with a mix of residential and commercial buildings. Therefore, before starting any construction project in this area, it is imperative to conduct a thorough soil investigation to ensure the stability and durability of the structures. By investing in soil investigation upfront, developers can avoid costly repairs and ensure the longevity of their structures in this bustling area of Delhi.